welcome back to another video, y'all. Welcome back. Before we get started, make sure y'all like, comment, and y'all subscribe, and make sure y'all check out all the links in my description. I just made a brand new Discord. Make sure y'all click that link and join my free Discord. It is for you guys to refer other people to different apps that you guys use. So make sure y'all check all the links out in my description and everything like that. So today's app that we're reviewing is Paidwork. Paidwork is basically a money-making Android app, and I think it's on iPhone as well. Give me a minute, let me find out. Hold on. It's an iOS and Android money-making app. So you can download it on iPhone and you can download it on Android. So that's good news for everybody around the world. Anyways, this is my estimated earnings of the app. So far, I made $5.51. If you go here and you click billing, so far all I need is 56% more to get $10 threshold. If you see this, you have to put your information in order to get the money, or they will not pay you. So I'm working on that part. This is my analytics right here. My analytics right here. The green is for playing games. So far I made 52 cents playing games within the last 14 days. Within the last hour, I watched some videos. Within the last 12 months, I played games and I watched some videos. So that is how the analytics look. And it's going to give you a little pie chart, the summary of completed tasks that you can do on this app so far. Right here is how you go earn your money. Right now they have a 15% bonus going on where you can earn 15% more points for playing games within the next 3 days. So you have within the next 3 days to earn some extra points, which is pretty cool. I use the playing game session, and I used to watch videos. I do not use the online shopping. I do not use the surveys. So you're gonna go to here, you're gonna hit earn. Let me show you guys that this part of the app actually works. I got rewarded for playing Wordscape. I had to complete level 40 and level 80, which I did, what I think within 10:20. I completed that actually yesterday. So I started on 10:16 and ended on 10:20. So 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It took me 5 days to complete this task, which is pretty freaking awesome. Right now ongoing, I am playing Gem Block Puzzle, which I have the next 30 days to complete this task. I have to reach level 15, 20, 25, and 30, which I plan on doing tonight actually. So yes, this part of the app actually works. You can do it on this one, you can do it on this one, or you can do it on this one. Now this is something new that I have seen. I have not been on here yet, but I'm not going to personally refer this. I do not play apps that recommend you to purchase something into a gaming app, because if you don't have the money to buy it, you will not be able to complete these tasks, because you have to complete them one by one to get your points. So I would not recommend you to get a game where it say purchase something. So like right here, it say purchase 25 gem package for 99 cents. Now you have like $1 in your account, go ahead, all BDU, but you only have to reach level 30 to get 4,901 points. It is a pay offer here. No VA, no VPNs. You gotta be a new user, no elevators, anything like that. You can see the work conditions, but that's cheap. Let's see about here. Now right here, if you can reach, you have within 21 days to play this game, okay? If you can reach level 230 within 21 days, you're a beast, okay, period. But that is how Paidwork actually work. You actually do get paid if you go on YouTube and watch people actually withdraw. I have seen somebody actually withdraw from this app, which is actually amazing. So Like I said, go on my app, download the app, go in my description, download the app, and start earning money. What I do, I want to tell you guys what I do. I watch all the videos until all of the ads run out, and then I play the games because it's going to add to my balance that I already have. It's going to add more to my balance as I'm going. So this has been Android Factory, guys. Thank you for sticking around watching. I will see y'all in the next video. Make sure you guys click the link in my bio and join my Discord. Check out all the links in my bio so you guys can start making money with everything that I recommend down below. I will see y'all in the next video. I will probably see y'all in my next fridge drop video. I'll see y'all. Peace.